Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. I know you might have seen the title. It's a very good title. So it's this flower that we're talking about today. Go and get yourself a cis flower. Okay, when you get that cis flower, how are you going to use it? So get this cis flower. Make sure you have alligator pepper at home. Take one seed of alligator pepper, use it to cleanse it. Now you are cleansing away all the bad negativity. Any hand that touched this cis flower before it reached you, that you are cleansing it or that you are removing it, then you throw the alligator pepper outside, my dear. You have cleansed your cis flower, so it's now ready to use. How are you going to use it now? But okay, let me not forget, like I always say on my video, before you can bargain in anything attraction, please make sure you cleanse yourself so that it will work for you. Without cleansing, you perform this, it will not work, so that you not start complaining. You can check some of my video, or you can go to YouTube, any YouTube channel, look for how to cleanse yourself. After making that your cleansing, then you can now start to do is, so get 7 seed of alligator pepper you add inside for activating to fortify your cis flower so that it will work for you. Or if you don't have alligator pepper, or if you cannot get your alligator pepper, go and look for cat eyes. I will drop the screenshot on the screen. Get yourself a cat eyes. Yes, add 7 seed inside. Then after adding that 7 seed, go and keep it for what? For 3 straight days. After 3 days, you can start using it, but not just go and drop it and leave it like that. You are going to pray. Go and pray. Okay, make sure your mind is clean before you can start using it. But because before you yourself go and get this, to pay to get it. But like I said, okay, don't price when you want to go and get your spiritual items. Don't price. They tell you this, buy it because you know why, the reason why you are buying it. Okay, but please make sure you have a very clear mind. Don't have doubt when you want to do anything attraction, just any spiritual work. Don't have that, because your doubt can spoil your thing for you. Believe in yourself that this is going to work for you. After leaving it for 3 days, then you can start using it. Then how are you going to use it? When you just get a drop, you can put it in your forehead, or you rub it as a cream, or just put in small in your body. Then you can start using your cis flower. But all I have to tell you is have faith, have belief. Without belief, it will not work, my dear. I'm not God. I'm only here to teach you and to instruct you on how we are going to be using your cis flower for your spiritual benefits and how it's going to work for you. You know, all these spiritual items, it work, okay? But make sure after keeping it for that 3 days, you pray. Once in a while, you go there, you pray, you hold the cis flower and you declare what you want. Either you read Psalm, but I know all of us are not going to church, or some of us are in a native way. You can also make your prayer as far as your heart is clean, that you yourself, you believe yourself that this is going to work for you. Perfect. Have faith in yourself. Believe that this is going to work for you. That is what they call faith and belief. Okay, you cannot just go to the market and get your spiritual item and start using it. You got to do something for yourself. You got to believe yourself, and you got also to cleanse yourself before you can start using it. Okay, you know, in spirituality, when you start following spirituality, you're making way for you, because before you can, it's no more someone can do something for you. You can also do something for yourself. I know some of you might be waiting, go and bring this, go and bring milk, go and bring this, but you yourself, you don't know that you can make a way for you. Gradually, you'll be freeing yourself. Gradually, you'll be, accumulating so many benefits in your life, in yourself. All these spiritual items that you're seeing on YouTube channel, please go try to be getting some and be keeping it at home. It can be helping you in your spiritual journey and in your life. It can be making way for you. So this cis flower I dropped, please try to use it. I'll be dropping video on how to use the powder. You know, they have the powder and they also have the soap. All this work perfectly if you have faith in yourself. So my dear, I'll be stopping here. My video is not going to be long for today, so always thank you guys for always stopping by. But please like and subscribe, and also comment and drop your like. So thank you guys for always stopping by. Let me stop here for today. Bye bye.